Let's get now to China and some good news as residents in Shanghai begin to emerge following 2 months of incredibly harsh COVID lockdowns. The move was supposed to, remember, last just over a week. But more than 500,000 residents remain in their homes. The easing measures come as Chinese officials looking to jumpstart the stalling economy and no doubt frustration for the population. Eunice Yoon joining us now live with from Beijing, with more. So if you're in Shanghai, Eunice, what are you able to do today or tomorrow that you couldn't do a couple of days ago?
Well, Brian, in theory, you could do a whole lot because the signal from the Shanghai leadership is that all systems are go. All companies now can operate normally, at least in theory. All the transportation has resumed, and that the vast majority of the people in Shanghai can now leave their homes. But just because these restrictions are easing doesn't necessarily mean that business is just going to snap back to normal. In fact, I was speaking with the American Chamber of Commerce here in Beijing for China, who said that it's likely going to be at least a month to get supply chains up and running again. Now, managers, AmCham says, are assessing the state of their operations. They're looking at their inventory, their components, and also the readiness of their equipment. And on top of that, businesses face a whole host of other challenges operating under the current COVID restrictions. So, for example, the EU Chamber of Commerce says that they've been very concerned about a worker shortage. Migrant workers have left the city, unclear as to whether or not they're going to want to come back after losing so much income. Truckers have also quit their jobs, saying, I don't really like having to deal with all these COVID restrictions. A big concern for both the EU Chamber and AmCham is what to do about staffing, because a lot of staffing, for example, now will have to get a 72-hour COVID test, and sometimes the wait in the morning to get that COVID test has been, 1 hour, 2 hours, and that's seen as a productivity killer. And then there's also a whole host of kind of odd restrictions that conflict from the city level versus the district level. For example, just today, I heard that some buildings are allowing offices to reopen, but you can't use aircon. Or some bars are being told they can open their doors with limited hours, but they can't serve alcohol. So those are the kind of restrictions and regulations that make things very confusing. And then on top of that, there's the overhang of an overarching concern that even though the officials insist that they want to prioritize growth, that if there is an uptick of cases, that people can go back into lockdown.